In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cover a moving part of a video with an emoji in CapCut, step by step, so you can blur out a face, hide an object, or cover anything that moves in your clip without needing complicated editing skills. This is a super useful trick for short-form videos, tutorials, vlogs, and any content where you want to keep something private, or just add a fun creative touch. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and load the project you want to edit. Make sure your video is already imported into the timeline so you can work on it right away. Once you're inside the project, look at the top menu and tap on Stickers. This is where CapCut gives you access to all kinds of visual elements, including emojis that you can place over your video. Now scroll through the sticker options or search for the emoji style you want. You can choose something simple, funny, expressive, or anything that matches the vibe of your video. Once you've selected your preferred emoji, it will appear on your video as a sticker layer. At this point, the next step is to resize and position it. Tap on the emoji, then drag the corners to make it bigger or smaller depending on what you're covering. If you're hiding a face, object, logo, or anything else, you want the emoji to fully cover it without leaving gaps around the edges. Then, move it directly over the subject. Take a moment here to line it up carefully, because the better the placement is now, the cleaner your final edit will look. After that, you need to extend the duration of the emoji layer. This part is important because if the emoji only lasts a second or two, it won't stay on screen for the full movement of the subject. In the timeline, find the emoji layer and drag the edges so it stretches across the entire section of the video where the subject is moving. You want the emoji to remain visible for as long as the face or object needs to stay covered. This ensures the sticker doesn't disappear too early. Now for the most important part, motion tracking. This is what makes the emoji follow the moving subject automatically. Select the emoji layer in your timeline, then look on the right panel and tap Tracking. From there, choose Motion Tracking. You'll see a tracking circle appear on the screen. Adjust the size of that circle so it fits your subject properly. Try to place it around the face, head, or object you want to track, and make sure it's centered on the movement you want CapCut to follow. If the circle is too small or too large, tracking may not work as accurately, so take a second to fine-tune it. Once the tracking circle is in the right place, tap Start Tracking. CapCut will analyze the movement in your video and automatically attach the emoji to that moving subject. Depending on the length and complexity of your clip, this may take a few moments. When it's finished, play back the video and check that the emoji follows the subject smoothly. If needed, you can go back and adjust the emoji size or position, and track again for a cleaner result. And that's it. You've now learned how to cover a moving part of a video with an emoji in CapCut using stickers and motion tracking. This is a quick and easy way to protect privacy, hide unwanted details, or add a fun effect to your edits. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.